Hi! In front of me is our Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Manager. First of all, you need to access Settings and scroll all the way down to tap on Google section over here. Then click on Autofill with Google, and the sweater next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I do that, as you can see, sweater is gray. That means that autofill is definitely off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!